Subscribe to this channel. Get 2 recipes every week. And these recipes are awesome. So much flavor. And yet they're healthy. Sometimes I take a recipe that's not too healthy and I change it. Sometimes I develop my own recipe. Depends. Okay, so another reason to subscribe is that I'm going to show you today how to order what you want from a restaurant menu and really think outside the box. I'm in South Carolina, not today, but I was in South Carolina. Went to a restaurant with some friends, and I'm looking at the menu, and nothing was good on this menu. I mean, everything looked delicious, but nothing I really was excited to eat until I got to the side dishes, and wonderful side dishes. Green beans and broccoli and spinach and Brussels sprouts. All made very interestingly. You can pick like you order a meal, you pick a side dish with it, okay? So I told the waiter, I said, bring me 4 side dishes. Like all 4 side dishes that were listed on that menu. I wanted all 4. Put them on one plate. That's gonna be my dinner. It was the best dish of anyone sitting at the table. Look at the menu, like see what you like and then kind of make a dinner out of it. You can do that. Restaurants will be very happy to accommodate you. And you're going to really get some good food. So today's video is dedicated to that. One of the dishes on that menu was a sweet and spicy and smoky Brussels sprout. Wow, a lot of flavor, wonderful. So I didn't ask the chef there how he made it or anything like that. I tasted it, I remember that flavor, and now I'm going to duplicate it. Just for you. So let's get cooking. We start with Brussels sprouts, of course, and I have to take this stem end off. Okay, so just cut that stem off a little bit and cut it in half. I did that, and here I have about 12 ounces of Brussels sprouts. It's about 2 pints if you buy them in pints. Now, the only way I cook any kind of cabbage includes cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, of course, cabbage. The only way I ever cook them is to saute them or roast them some kind of dry heat. I might braise them, okay, because that has dry heat in it. But I never boil them. It's just that boiled cabbage, to me, is not the best way to cook it. You don't get the best flavor. Cabbage has a lot of sugar in it, like, you know, natural sugar in the cabbage. And so if you roast it, that sugar comes out and it makes it more pleasant. Roast your cabbage. Brussels sprouts is a cabbage, so we got to roast it. For 2 pints of Brussels sprouts, about a tablespoon of olive oil. And half a teaspoon salt and a 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Woo, that's nice. I gotta tell you, I get my equipment, most of them, on Amazon. Wonderful. And I became an affiliate with Amazon. So when I suggest a piece of equipment that I use, because I use it and I love it, I'll suggest on Amazon. There's a link in the description for that piece of equipment to go to Amazon to buy it if you want to, and I get a commission. I have to disclose that. How great is that? I'm an Amazon affiliate. I just dumped the Brussels sprouts onto the sheet pan. Very nice. Nice single layer like that. Beautiful. I got my oven preheated, 350 degrees. I'm gonna put the Brussels sprouts in for 30 minutes. Okay, when these Brussels sprouts come out, I gotta put them into like a sauce, like a dressing almost, okay? Like a flavor combination. That flavor combination is gonna be this. I got some chipotle. Why chipotle? Chipotle gives me heat, which is good, and it gives me some smokiness, because chipotle is smoked jalapeno. This is chipotle in adobo, so I add a little tomato to it. Looks like that. So I also have maple syrup. Fantastic. That's what gives me the sweetness. But I just don't want to add sugar. So maple syrup's my choice. Give you a nice flavor. Sweetness and flavor. And if you use good maple syrup, It's not terrible for you. Don't use too much because it is sugar, but it's better sugar than plain sugar. Maple syrup. Use good stuff. 1 clove of garlic. Little goes a long way. It's going to be raw. I'm not going to cook it. So 1 is plenty. Chop it fine. Here we go. Just like that. 1 chipotle. Just 1. Just like that. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. 2 tablespoons. I'm going to mix this up. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And that's it. Hey, when those Brussels sprouts come out of the oven, bing, right into the seasoning. So here's what you do. Here's the way it works. I put them in the oven a 1/2 hour before I'm ready to serve them. So when they come out of the oven, I got my sauce all ready. They come out, toss with the sauce right on the table. I don't have to like blanch them and shock them and reheat them. What a disaster. Cook them, serve them. It's so easy. It's the best way. You can cut them and toss them in oil and salt and pepper, the Brussels sprouts, and leave them on a sheet tray on the side until you're ready to put them in the oven. But I wouldn't cook them and then let them sit. I wouldn't do that. Okay, I'll see you in about a 1/2 hour. Can't wait. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten yet today. Woo! I'm starving. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. Let's check those Brussels sprouts. Okay, nice little color on them. Beautiful. Remember that sauce we made, right? Very nice. Okay, right into the sauce. Okay, most important, we gotta taste one. Make sure it's good. That's delicious. Hey, it's a great color. Nice, sweet, spicy, wonderful. Hey, suppose you don't want to make this particular Brussels sprouts. You can check out my other Brussels sprout video. Kung Pao Brussels sprouts. Wow, Chinese style. A big thumbs up for that. I'll see you there.